Hello my dear friends, welcome to Zonle Doors channel. Behind me you can see that this is one of our showroom. Do you wanna see more? Now please follow me.
Welcome to Zonle Doors showrooms. We have been focusing on manufacturing steel door, fire door, wooden door for 22 years. Our products have passed the UL certification, CE certification, China CCCF fire door certification, and the company has passed ISO 9001 quality management system certification, ISO 14001 environmental management system certification, China environmental labeling product certification, also obtained the anti-theft security door inspection report, certified by the national authority. We insist on the principle of product quality. It is our company vitality to manufacture commercial door, continue to improve the processing techniques to meet the requirements of our customers, both in China and the other countries.
Now you could find that we sell many type of doors. If you need the entrance door, the interior doors, security doors, or any other doors we have, so please contact us immediately. We will always waiting for you. See you next time.